Hey, welcome back to the Blue Collar Bar. We have a great cocktail store for you today. We're making the Cosmopolitan, better known as the Cosmo. As seen on the hit TV sitcom Sex and the City, became very popular. Mike, you've seen a few of those shows, huh?
Oh yeah, I've seen Sex and the City. Great show.
Get the box set.
Yeah, I don't know if we want to put that out to YouTube, but it might be back there soon.
Well, let's get right into it. Let's make the Cosmopolitan. 4-ingredient cocktail: vodka, orange liqueur, cranberry juice, and fresh lime juice. Let's get started. All built in a shaker tin. We're going to take 1.5 ounces of vodka. Next, we're going to do Cointreau or any other orange liqueur you have. Triple sec will work as well. We're looking for a 1/2 ounce. Now, cranberry juice, we're going to do a 1/4 ounce.
That's ocean spray, right?
Oh, it is. Oh, it is. Only the best. East Coast products. Oh, of course. The best. Now, fresh lime juice. We have a juicer and a 1/2 lime. We're going to put it upside down into a jigger. We're going to measure out a 1/2 ounce. And that goes right to the tin. Those are your 4 ingredients. Let's add ice. With a shaker pint, give it a good shake. Now we have a Martini Glass to the side. We're chilling it. All it is ice in soda water, or water will work.
Now, why do you want that glass chilled, Chris?
Well, this will keep your cocktail cold through the duration of your cocktail. No one wants a warm martini.
No. Especially a warm Cosmo.
Oh, Cosmo.
Bad.
Terrible. Hawthorne Strainer. We're going to strain up.
Nice color.
And as you can see, it's slightly pink. It's too red. You put too much cranberry juice in it. Now for a garnish, we're going to do a lemon twist. And there you have the Cosmopolitan. Let's give it a shot, see how it is. Cheers. It's very good. It's a very acidic, a little sweet from the Cointreau, boozy from the vodka. Great cocktail. I can see why Carrie Bradshaw enjoyed them. Well, folks, go home, try it for yourself. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel for many more cocktails, and follow us on Instagram at the Blue Collar Bartender. Thanks a lot. Bye.